Can you tell the difference between virtual and reality? Do you feel like Neo from the Matrix sometimes when you can't tell the difference between reality and augmented reality? The world of online retail is based on this very prefix. Online retail has made our lives so much more efficient. We can shop for multiple objects at the same time from multiple stores across the world, sitting in our pajamas in our living room. Let's see what an e-commerce business is worth.
Hi, I am Bharat Kanodia. I have appraised over 2,000 businesses, including airports, casinos, malls, and large tech companies like Uber, Airbnb, among many others. My videos educate owners on what their business is worth.
There are over 3 million e-commerce companies operating 20 million websites globally. The e-commerce sector is poised to hit $1 trillion in revenue by 2022. There are 3 trends that are evolving this rapidly changing business.
1. Influencers, pastors, politicians, actors, radio jockeys, athletes, podcasters, bloggers, and yes, YouTubers. Everyone is an influencer of some kind. Everyone has a tribe, and they can all help or harm an e-commerce business. The trick is to get on their good side when they're on the rise.
2. Personalization. Gone are the days of you get what you see. Customers now expect the brick and mortar type of treatment from your online store. That includes custom merchandise, alterations, returns, customer service, and any kind of after-sales service.
Artificial intelligence. You can effectively run a $10 million business with just 5 people. Fewer people with more automation is better. Automation can be purchased, tweaked, and canceled on your fingertips. Hiring, training, and managing employees is a whole different skill set which many business owners just do not have. Rule of thumb. Tell me if you've heard any of these before. A good call to action can increase sales more than tenfold. Trial memberships are a great way to introduce new customers to your services. These are more guidelines than rules you can use to increase your online sales.
Companies with revenue under $5 million can sell anywhere between 2 and 4x on SDE. The range depends on 3 factors: consistency of earnings, stability of site traffic, and efficiency of operations. There are 3 ways e-commerce business owners can maximize the value of their company. 1. Focus on customer experience. Virtual is reality. Customers expect the same level of experience they would receive at a brick and mortar store from your website. The closer you bring your website to that level of customer service, the better.
2. Partnerships, dropshipping, returns, and add-on services keep customers coming back to your website again and again. This brings in steady flow of monthly visitors and repeat customers, resulting in recurring revenue. That's music to any buyer's ears. 3. Reduced owner involvement. Owners that work less than 15 to 20 hours a week have built a company. Owners working more than that have created a job for themselves. You want a company that runs while you sleep. Automate processes. Hire remote customer service reps. Work with vendors and suppliers who value your customers before their own bottom line or their policies.
Communication is at the heart of e-commerce. The key to any virtual business is closely replicating the in-person experience at the touch of a button, anytime, anywhere. How close is your business to doing that? Thanks for watching.